Alright, what's up? Gannon. This is my bike check.
Ride through the hood in the hoop by my lonesome. Roam like Odin, no music, zoning. Holding, time's looking harder than Folsom. Gotta keep it moving.
I'm running the MUTINY LOOSEFER frame. I just got it. It's pretty nice. Reading over the bars. Feels a lot better than my other frame.
Legit, and we ain't even there yet. Keep a step ahead of.
Got burgundy. Yeah. I'm running the We the People Mad Max bars in black. They're big. I like that. I like big bars, so they're like easier to. I don't know. I just like it.
Your man with a jetpack, got a bird's eye view on swap. See the sickness before it comes, cause I'm fine tuned. On your mark.
ODI grips feel good once you warm in. Like takes 2 weeks, and you actually like. They actually feel good. Demolition STEALTHBOMB stem. Yeah, get on that. That's sick. I've been running this for like 2 years now. So that's pretty sick. Fly bikes headset. FLYFORKS. I don't know why I snapped my others. Borrowed my friends. I'm running RUBENS in the front and the back. That's sick. Premium rim in the front with animal pegs. Demolition seat. Yeah, that's sick. It's like soft parts of it. Some aluminum poverty seat posts and demolition seat post clamp. I got a shadow sprocket with a shadow half-link chain. SUBROSA BITCHIN cranks. Yeah, love these things. I've been running them for like just as long as my stem. I've had them for a while. They like hold up great. They're hard to get on, but like they feel amazing. Like they never break or anything. ODYSSEY pedals. I'm switching from time to time. Blah blah. I don't really care what pedals as long as they feel good. In the back. Oh, and a shadow mid bottom bracket. Yeah, in red. Like it. Demolition rim, based to a PRIMO remix hub. That's sick. And yeah, I like my bike. Styled, kinda, but that's what you gotta do. Oh, and I'm running America shoes. Nothing, no Nikes. I used to ride Vans. I rode all of them, but I wanted to change. I actually like them. Their grip probably better than Vans or Nike. I mean, you're probably yelling at me through the computer right now, but I don't know. I like them. But yeah, that's it.